is Paulina Romario. Today, I want to share some tips how to reduce stress in college. Stress is a serious and important issue on college. Students worry about assignment and stress about the future. And how to the next step. There are some tips to reduce stress in college effectively. 1. Using a planner. In college, it's critical to remember when you have assignment, tests, and presentation. Make a plan and write down everything you need to remember. Using a planner also reminds me of obligation I have coming up in the future, so I don't forget about my assignment. This way, I can schedule time to get work done around class time, holiday, and work, and more. 2. Coloring your book. A new study revealed that coloring your book can help to improve your mood, boost creativity, and reduce stress. It forces your mind to behave in creativity, which will drive out negative and stressful. Some benefits of coloring your book are helping brain relaxation, shifting focus and mind, and also being a means of self-entertainment. 3. Getting a good night's sleep. Getting good night's sleep or go to bed early. This is really important, reducing your stress. It can heal your own body, including your brain. Instead, organize your schedule in a way where you are not staying up all night to complete your assignment. Therefore, sleep is critical for your mental health. 4. Eating healthy food. Everyone knows that when you eat well, you will feel well. When you are in college, it can be hard to find the time to eat. But eating healthy doesn't have to be hard or overwhelming. Even the simple act is try eating fruits and vegetables. Stress makes you crave junk food, and even though it's okay to treat yourself, sometimes don't make bad habits anymore. Stay away from sugar, stay hydrated, and eat nutritious food, which will increase your energy and improve your focus. 5. Avoid the negative people. Stay away from negative people. It's already hard enough to stay optimistic with stress. So, surrounding yourself with pessimistic people will not help you. It will bring you down and affect your school performance. Remember, you are studying, so you have a career that you love. So spend time with people who support you and push you toward on your goals when life gets hard. 6. Take care of yourself. If all you do is study, you will feel more stress. So don't forget to treat yourself. Take some time to pursue hobbies and practice self-care to improve your overall mood. Watch a movie, eat at your favorite restaurant, having fun with friends, and taking breather, then you can continue studying. There are some tips to reduce stress. Remember, your mental health comes first, and grades don't define you. Don't forget to like and comment this video. And then, don't forget to answer some questions in description box below. Have a nice day!